How to send a blank message on Facebook Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of app tutorial. If you also seen other people sending in these blank messages, and if you want to also send it for yourself as well, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to do. Now before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you are notified for more informative videos just like this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and search for emptycharacter.com. This is the website that lets you copy in blank messages. So from this website you can just scroll down and you can see these are the instructions that you need to follow, but you can just scroll down and on the method 1 you can see this says copy with a button. So just tap on copy to clipboard and the blank text will be easily copied. Now once this text has been copied, you can open up your messenger, you can open up the chat, and then you can just paste in the blank text that you just copied. And if you send it, you can see the blank text now has been successfully sent. You do not need to use this exact website. If you search for blank text on Google, you can see a bunch of websites that let you copy in these blank texts. So if this website does not work for you, you can try out other websites as well. So that was the easy process of sending in blank messages on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.